Hello, everyone. Ben Bryce, joined by Teddy Tarvis on Tuesday, June 25th, to give you your midday mayhem. And Teddy, I think we're going to have a quick one today. There's not really much going on in the markets. They're kind of chopping around. It seems like we're waiting for this report to come out on Friday. What's going on today? What are we seeing?
Yeah, things are continuing to grind lower. Started out yesterday lower. Today is kind of the same thing. So all the grains are continuing to sort of just sell off here. But yeah, main story is going to be the acreage report, the quarterly grain stocks report. Is the end of month and end of quarter. So could be a lot of movement here come the end of the week.
Yeah, we got a lot of stuff going on this week later on, right? So it's Tuesday. We had a shortened week last week. We got a couple reports yesterday. Equipment traders showed buying in corn, selling in about the rest of the ag markets, which is nice for corn, but we're not seeing that really reflected today. And also yesterday we had the crop conditions, and those were a little bit lower, but we're not seeing support. It doesn't seem like a lot of these stories that are coming out are really moving these markets one way or the other. So hopefully on Friday that changes things and we can kind of get something moving in these grains. And hopefully, if we can get prices back up to where farmers are profitable, because right now where we're sitting. So switching over to livestock, what's going on there? Cattle's been on, having a nice move, but what's been behind that? Why have we been moving higher?
Yeah, it's kind of the same thing. Not a whole lot of stories coming out for livestock, but the main driver here is still just going to be box beef. So it continues to keep grinding higher. So if box beef wants to keep going higher, these futures prices are going to keep doing the same thing. Cash cattle's been good. So in the way of stories, there's not a whole lot, but box beef is kind of your main focus right now.
Right. It seems like that, right? It seems like over the past few months, as box beef's higher, those futures tend to follow it. But when that changes, it can get confusing. We hear all the time, why is box beef higher but prices are lower, all this stuff. So it's not always a perfect correlation, but so far it seems like it has been fairly tight. So keep that in mind as you're looking at this cattle market, as well as the cash prices, right? We've been seeing strong cash prices in the cattle. So cash prices, good cash prices, good box beef prices have been, maybe the main driver in this market. Mm-hmm. So with that, everyone, thank you for joining us. Give us a call at 1-800-2-MARKET. That's 1-800-262-7538. And keep your eyes out for our pre-report snapshot coming out on Thursday ahead of the reports coming out on Friday. Thank you very much for joining us.